Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Another day of random VIDZMO reaction videos. I'm gonna share you my screen, and we're just gonna look for something exciting, folks. Just gonna start from the top of my window, YouTube window. Just wanna see. Whoa! How to get 1,000 subscribers? Not bad, folks. Looks like me. That looks like me. How to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's good. Shania Twain. Holy smoke, Shania Twain. Is that Shania Twain? Does it look Shania Twain? No, it's MrBeast again. Whoa, 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 whoa. That looks like me. That looks like me. Tia Tomalia, how are you? Tia Tomalia, first live. Hello, hello, hello. Live updates. Nice pants, by the way. Nice, Tia Tomalia. Okay, we'll move on. Hey, I know this guy. Franco. Oh, Poldo. What's up, man? Poldo. Oh, who else is here? Oh, this is me before. That was like long time ago, 4 years ago. What 4 years ago? 4 years ago. Who else? Who is this? China. Nice bass, by the way. Angel baby. Oh. Oh, who else is here, folks? Brando. Oh, Jovit Baldivino dead. That's me. Looks like me. Winfrey Gold update. Always us. Always remember us this way. That's a good song. We'll get back to that. Nice. Risa Raquel Problema. Never enough. Morissette. Richest YouTube in 2022. Cutting my hair shorter. Undangon Tani by Morissette. Oh, Dancing Queen. Dancing Queen by Gigi and the Gigi Vibes. That's a good song. Anyway, um, Tia, why is she showing on my thing? Um, I guess I'm gonna go for Gigi De Lana. Where the heck is that Gigi thing? Gigi De Lana. This is actually a good song, folks. I haven't heard of this before, so we're gonna but that's not a original copy. Anyway, we're gonna try this. It's a good song. That's why I like to hear.
Ready to launch your business?
In my soul. In the song, it's not there's no connection, okay? I need to connect with that song. Gigi De Lana, folks. More from Gigi.
When I discovered Fiverr, actually, it was just
What else can she sing, folks?
Organize your business all in one place for just $1 per month with HoneyBook. HoneyBook provides a bird's eye view of all your businesses.
We need to see what she can do, folks. If you're on my arm, bakit? Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Ah, Dancing Queen. Have you heard her singing Dancing Queen? I want to see it again. Oh, so simple song, folks. Nothing unusual in that song. Very simple song. Need to level up. Miss you like crazy. You can sing this, Tom Jones? We'll see.
I who have nothing, I who have no one, adore you and want you so. I'm just a no one with nothing to give you but all. I love you. He buys you diamonds, bright, sparkling diamonds. But believe me, dear, when I say that he can give you the world, but he'll never love you the way I love you. He can take you any place he wants, to fancy clubs and restaurants. But I can only watch you when my nose pressed up against the window pane. I who have nothing, I who have no one, must watch you go dancing by, wrapped to the arms.
Oh, and it's like dragging song, folks. Like dragging you in the hole.
Looking for an easy way to run win?
Something different. Better days. Better days. Together again. If you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. It's a good song.
There's no letting go. No letting go. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just didn't know it till my life fell apart. A second once in a lifetime isn't too much to ask, 'cause I swear from the heart. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever, and this time will never end. Never end. The best of romances deserve second chances. I get to you somehow, 'cause I promise now. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. This time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. This time will never end. Yes.
That was the best, one of the best so far, folks. That was one of the best so far performance of Gigi, folks. I just need to do a screenshot now.